Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The activities of the 4th School for Provincial Salesian Youth Ministry delegates ended in Rome on 19th May. The formation sessions, which began on 8th May, involved about 40 provincial youth ministry delegates from all over the world and were organized in theoretical and applicational modules whose teachings focused on a range of topics of absolute importance. These topics were divided into three main areas. First of all, the keys to interpreting the Salesian educative and pastoral model, the importance of educative and pastoral community, and the different youth ministry areas, the implications of the culture of reflection and planning in the different instruments, overall provincial plan, provincial Salesian educative and pastoral plan. The Pentecost Vigil under the auspices of the Latin Patriarchate of Jerusalem was held in the Basilica of Saint Stephen adjacent to the renowned École Biblique in Jerusalem on 18th May 2024. It was a profound and unifying event, bringing together a diverse assembly of Catholics from the Latin Rite and other communities in communion with the Catholic Church. The Salesian community in Jerusalem, consisting of young Salesians in theological formation, was privileged to be the organizers of the entire evening. Bishop William Shomali, who presided at the vigil service, was accompanied by heads and representatives of other churches. During his visit to Portugal for the National Day of the Salesian Youth Movement and the pilgrimage of the Salesian family to Fatima, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesian congregation, gave a brief interview to the Salesians in Portugal, in which he talks about the importance of young people in the Salesian charism, the current challenges of the congregation, and its prospects for the future. 4 young Salesians were ordained deacon on Saturday 18th May in the Salesian St. Stanislaus Kotska Church in Dybinki, Krakow: Norbert Rosicki, Rodasław Siziak and Makic Walkowiak. The celebration was presided over by Bishop Edward Kawa, Auxiliary Bishop of the Archdiocese of Lviv and Secretary General of the Episcopal Conference of Ukraine. In addition to parents and friends of the 4 new deacons, many young people were present, as well as the superiors of the Polish Salesian provinces and various Salesians. It is worth noting that Bishop Kawa arrived in Poland personally, driving a bus to bring some stalls to the Salesian church in Przemyślny on his return to Ukraine. 10 years ago, in the San Rafael Valley in the province of Esmeraldas, a place marked by violence, drug trafficking, poverty and lack of opportunities, the Maria Auxiliadora Formation Center, in Spanish, came into being. The center has the support and collaboration of the Salesian Ecuador Project and the Salesian San Juan Bosco community in Esmeraldas, which guarantees the recognition of the Pichincha Artisan Chamber for the courses and supports the Salesian identity of the proposal. Inspired by Don Bosco's work and Salesian values, its mission is to form vulnerable populations, especially those who aspire to forge a life plan and create their own activity. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.